Let's talk about the Layers panel in Canva. The Layers panel is there to help keep your design organized. Every element you add to your design, whether it's a photo, text, or a shape, gets its own spot in the Layers panel. Think of it like stacking pieces of paper. Each new layer sits on top of the one before it, creating a tidy stack you can go back and reorganize. You can access the Layers panel a couple of ways. With the design open, click to make sure it is highlighted. In the editing bar, you will see Position. Clicking on that opens the Position panel on the left. The other way to access the panel is by clicking on the three dots here, or by right-clicking on an element in your design and coming down here to Layers and then Show Layers. This opens the Position tab over here on the left of your design. You can work with either the Arrange tab or the Layers tab. Arrange lets you move the selected layer forward or backward within your design. It's great for quick adjustments. The Layers tab visually shows your layer's position and allows you to drag it to a different spot, giving you precise control over how everything stacks up in your design. If you click on any layer, you will see the three dots here on the right. It opens a panel with options for you to make changes. The Layers panel has two tabs, All and Overlapping. Overlapping isolates all the elements in your design that are overlapping another element. You can also rearrange layers in the Overlapping tab, keeping your design organized. The background layer is always at the very bottom of both tabs, marked with a small icon. Nothing can go beneath it since it's essentially the base color of your page. However, you can easily change the background color here to suit your design. And this is the Layers panel in Canva. You can access it easily by clicking on Position or by right-clicking an element. From there, you can navigate to either the Arrange tab or the Layers tab itself. And that's how you find the Layers panel in Canva. Simple and straightforward. If you found this content helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.